God's promise. The rainbow. The rainbow. The rainbow. What is it? It's the rainbow. The rainbow is God's promise. Today, we see so many different stories about the rainbow. Some stories are not true. For example, people will have a lot of fun and they'll have the imaginary story about somewhere over the rainbow is a pot of gold. And there are other stories that use the rainbow to represent things that it's not. Now it's so popular, the idea is so popular, but it's not right to follow the things that don't match the Word of God. The rainbow is important because it's how God established His covenant with us. He showed His promise to us. We see in the Bible, it says in Genesis chapter 9, verses 12 to 15. And then God said, "This is the sign of the agreement between me and you and every living creature that is with you. I am putting my rainbow in the clouds as the sign of the agreement between me and you and the earth. When I bring the clouds over the earth and a rainbow appears in them, I will remember my agreement between me and you and every living thing. Floods will never again destroy all life on the earth." Wow. Rainbows are beautiful, and when I see them in the sky, they're so inspirational. But it's not about a pot of gold, and it's not about other things. Rainbows they represent the righteous agreement that God had and made with us and gave to us, that He promised to never flood the earth fully again. So, when you look at the rainbow, all the different colors of the rainbow, it doesn't represent sin. It doesn't represent something that's wrong. In the beginning, in the Bible, we see that the representation of the rainbow was God's promise to not destroy all of the earth again with a flood. I'm so excited that God promised us this. He promised to never destroy the earth again. He loves us. And He shows forth His love in the beautiful promise that He represents with the rainbow. The rainbow, the rainbow, the rainbow. Remember, the rainbow is God's promise. The rainbow.